Hi class. I wanted to first of all congratulate you finishing the most difficult task for the semester, the Google Earth Challenge. I was really impressed with your work. Um, I'm still working on getting feedback to those who just turned theirs in at midnight last night. Um, and I just want to congratulate you, and also wanted to let you know that I have watched all of your video reflections for this week. Those um, some of them I have responded to, but mostly the ones that were turned in late last night, I have not. I've watched them, but I haven't responded to them yet, and I really appreciate your feedback. And an announcement for this week is that I have actually decided to change your deadlines. So it's going to now be Tuesday at midnight rather than Monday at midnight. My reasoning for that is that I do realize that Monday, well, after watching your reflections, Monday can be a difficult due date because it's right after the weekend, and and that's when you get the chance to catch up on a lot of your classes. So hopefully this will help those who need it, and those who are turning it in earlier anyways, I would say just keep that up. A lot of you talked about procrastination, and I would recommend setting some personal goals in terms of procrastination and time management. But those of you who aren't getting behind because of that, then you don't need to work on it. So anyway, so for this week, I'm just going to do a quick overview. This week is the science challenge. In the lab, you will notice that that there are some desks set up over as you walk in there to your right. Over to your right, there are digital microscopes on one desk, digital temperature probes on one desk, and a light sensor and a motion sensor on the other desk. And over on the table where the printer is, facing the lab, are two desks set up with digital microscopes. This week, you're going to be exploring a few different things, and I would recommend that you look at, well, the reason you're exploring these things is because of the project that you'll be putting together next week. So these are some tools that can be really useful for science. And then this tool here, this VoiceThread tool, is useful for other subjects as well. So you're going to explore this VoiceThread by watching this video. And it explains here some of the ways that VoiceThread can be used. Again, I would like you to look at week 8 assignments just so that you know the big picture for this week. Now, here are some example activities that will also help you see the big picture. And because of week 8's assignment, you're gonna explore three tools. One online tool, and these are a list of online tools here, and two digital science tools. Now these digital science tools are they're all in the tech lab on those tables that I pointed out at the beginning. And here is a list of those digital science tools. So you're going to choose one of those for next week, and you're going to create a lesson plan using it. Again, you can use the online tools, or you can use the digital probes, the digital science tools. You're going to create that lesson plan on your science challenge page, and you need to follow all of these directions, and you can look at the sample to make sure that yours, if you have questions of how to do that. And then at the bottom of your page, if you'll please just indicate which tools you explored in the lab, so that I know that you did explore 2 digital tools and 1 online tool. And then here's just another checklist just to make sure you've done everything. Have fun!